Hey, today I'm going to create a short animation in Wick editor. But first, let's check our settings panel. Here, we can change the color of the background. Blue for the sky. You can also adjust size and frames per second. Apply. Let's rename our layer. Click on layer. Now you can rename it. It will be our background. I'm going to use brush tool to draw a simple background. We can adjust the color and the size of the brush. Green. You can change the size of the brush using the shortcut, brackets, or using the slider. Now I can fill it with color, just like that. Okay, let me draw a simple background. My background is ready. It's time to create a new layer. Drag it above the background and I will change the name. I'm going to upload new asset to my library. I already prepared B. Here it is. And one more. Now I can drag it to my scene. Okay. Here's my bee. I'm going to animate this bee. So let's click Make Clip to create a separate timeline just for the bee. Here it is. Edit timeline. As you can see, it creates a new timeline just for this little bee. Now I can add new frame and drag the second picture here. Let's check. Almost good. A little bit up. Okay. Here's our bee. Just 2 frames. It's separate timeline. Let's back to the main timeline. Here's my bee. I'm going to extend this first frame. No background, so we need to do the same with background. Here it is. Next step, add twin. Add the keyframe. Add twin over here as well. Now I'm going to move my bee, resize it, rotate a little bit maybe, and look what happened. When I go back frame by frame, you can see that Wick editor made the job for me. It's already there. I don't need to move my bee. I just show the keyframe position and the Wick editor will generate the frames in between. It can handle resizing, reposition and rotation. I'm going to extend my background again and a few more keyframes for my bee. One here, jump for the next flower, resize, rotate,